let's be honest for a second. Royal Caribbean's unlimited dining package might be the most confusing thing they've ever created. And that's saying something. I mean, when a simple dining perk becomes a full-blown investigation board of fine print, exceptions, and, well, it depends, you know something is off. And the craziest part? Even Royal Caribbean can't seem to deliver a straight answer on how this thing works. What started as me helping a client understand her dining plan spiraled into a full-on rabbit hole. And now I'm here to break this thing down with absolute clarity, because the way it's explained online is frankly absurd. Now, if you're new here, I'm Alec, and around here, we don't do confusing travel. We do freedom, flexibility, and high ROI vacations. My mission with Destination Luxe is to help busy professionals escape the 9-to-5 chokehold and actually use their PTO to live, not just survive. Think of my trip planning as travel coaching, the strategy, the shortcuts, the guidance, all built to help you travel more often, more easily, and without overpaying. All right, deep breath. Let's dismantle the unlimited dining package. On paper, the UDP sounds like a dream. All specialty dining venues included. Eat wherever you want, no extra charges. Sounds incredible, right? Yeah, except that's not actually how it works. Not even close. Royal Caribbean has stacked the UDP with so many exceptions and add-ons, it feels more like a cruise line escape room than a dining benefit. Here's where things get messy. Even with the unlimited dining package, several venues still charge a mandatory surcharge, and they aren't small. For example, at Izumi Hibachi and Teppanyaki, there is a $15 surcharge. At the Royal Railway, it's $50 for adults and $25 for kids. For the chef's table and holiday dinners, that's $50 per passenger. At Izumi Omakase, you're looking at a $60 surcharge. And for you icon class lovers, the Empire and Lincoln Park Supper Club comes in at an eye-watering $130. If you're thinking, wait, what exactly is unlimited here? Same. And to make it even spicier, all of these additional surcharge reservations must be made only after you board, which means you're already fighting the crowds for limited slots. Royal splits their specialty restaurants into two categories: surcharge pricing and a la carte pricing. If your restaurant is surcharge-based, great. You can pre-book dinners before your cruise, as long as it's not one of the specialty surcharge venues above. Want lunch in one of these specialty dining venues? Only on sea days, allegedly. But here's the thing, guests report eating there on port days with no crew pushback, which means crew discretion is the actual policy? And that inconsistency is exactly why people get confused and disappointed. For a la carte restaurants, the UDP gives you a $20 per person per day credit. It doesn't roll over, it doesn't accumulate, use it or lose it. And just when you think, okay, I get it now, nope, there's more. Certain spots like Izumi in the Park only give you $10. So I'm gonna put up a list here of all of the participating a la carte menus, which include English Pub, Fish and Chips, Giovanni's Wine Bar, Playmakers, Portside Barbecue, Trellis Bar, Vintages, and Izumi in the Park, but at that lower $10 rate credit. Can I eat at multiple specialty restaurants per day? Yes, but the app will fight you if you try. It blocks reservations that are too close together to your original reservation. So your best bet is once you're on board, it's easier just to go to the host stand and request seating directly, or work with guest services to stack your dining times. Are all menu items included? Absolutely not. Even with UDP approved venues, premium items still cost extra. And at Izumi Sushi, you're ordering from a prix-fixe menu. What's not included at all? Well, a lot. Celebration table, Chops premium cuts, culinary activities, desserted, any of the main dining room premium items, anything from Starbucks, and any Taste of Royal experiences. Is it worth the price? That depends on a few things that I would want you to reflect on. Like, how many specialty dining venues do you actually want to eat at? How long is your sailing for? Are you actually committed to skipping the main dining room entirely in order to squeeze out the value of your UDP? You know, not everyone wants to eat steakhouse style every day. Heck, 3 days in and suddenly the Windjammer is looking sexy again. The unlimited dining package isn't really unlimited. It's strategic, inconsistent, and often misunderstood even by the crew themselves. And that inconsistency is the death of the guest experience. Two people can buy the same package. One walks away thrilled, the other walks away confused and annoyed. Travel shouldn't feel like gambling, and that's where having someone on your side makes all the difference. Cruising can be overwhelming, but it doesn't need to be. When you've got someone who knows the system inside and out, you take your vacation from pretty good to life-changing. That's what I do, not just booking, coaching, helping you stretch your PTO, avoid the traps, and build a travel lifestyle that feels effortless. If you're done settling for average, overpriced vacations, check the link in the comments and let's start planning your next cruise. I hope this breakdown cleared up the chaos behind the unlimited dining package and helped you see whether it's truly worth it. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone sailing with Royal Caribbean soon. They'll thank you later. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe travels.